These caterpillars can decimate your tomato plants if you don't catch them quickly. But because they blend in so well to tomato plants, you may not even notice them until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to let you guys in on a secret way to find these little buggers and get rid of them, so stick around. If you have tomato plants, you probably have had to contend with these little caterpillars. They usually come out in late spring and early summer, and they can decimate your tomatoes if they're not dealt with quickly. I've always called them tomato hornworms, but there's actually two different types. There's tomato hornworms and tobacco hornworms. They look slightly different, with the tobacco hornworm having a red horn and the tomato hornworm having a blue horn. And they develop into different types of moths, the sphinx moth or the five-spotted hawk moth. But their life cycles and the damage they can do to your tomatoes is the same. So how can you find them and how do you get rid of them? Now these caterpillars can be really hard to find, especially when they're small because they blend in so well to the color of the tomato plants. They also sometimes hide under leaves or along stems. There are a couple of ways to spot them. The first is by looking for the damage that they do to the plants, mainly stripped leaves and empty stems. They don't generally eat tomatoes, but I have seen them eat a couple small green ones. The second way is by looking for their poop. It looks like these little black balls. The size varies depending upon the size of the caterpillar, but if you see these little black things collecting on leaves, you know you've got one of these caterpillars. So the third way, and really the whole point of this video, the reason why I'm making it, is this. This right here is a UV light or a blacklight. And the amazing thing about the caterpillars is that they will glow at night under a blacklight. Gotcha. It's kind of incredible, and it actually makes them easier to spot at night than during the day, especially the little tiny ones. There you are. I'll leave a link to the blacklight flashlight below if you want to check it out, and happy hunting. Now let's talk about the horn for just a second. While it may look kind of scary, it may look kind of like a needle, it can't hurt you. And so when you find a caterpillar, don't be afraid to just pull it off the plant. You can even pull it from the horn if you want.
Who is that? Oh wait! I just saw him move! He's moving! He's moving. Oh, he's a squirrel! Oh, look at him. On the camera it does. Not to me.
He's greenish.
Oh.
That's what he looks like.
Oh my. Oh my. That look, do you know what I think?
What?
Right there. What is that right there? Oh my gosh.
Right in the front. He's trying to grab the tomato again. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video interesting. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope there's something useful here for you that'll help you protect your tomato plants and get a better crop. If you did like it, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other gardening videos, and we'll see you in the next one.